Chances are your home is getting smarter by the day, and when it comes to keeping our connected homes genius level smart, the V team knows having 5G home internet is a game changer, and now a new TV show is helping us spread the word. Just last night, 5G Home was in the spotlight on a brand new show called Smart Home Nation. Airing on A&E's FYI network, host Tanya Memme invited us to her home to give her viewers an up-close look at the power of 5G home. Here's a snippet from Monday night's episode.
It's a lot faster, right?
Absolutely.
So I feel like as a homeowner, I can have more choices and options as to how many devices I have going on at the same time.
Right, because you're streaming, someone's learning, perhaps.
We have it all going on
You're
here.
working, binge watching.
Yeah, my
all that
daughter's got
stuff.
6 friends. She's gaming weight
Right.
in her bedroom. I'm downloading a lot of videos for what I do for a living,
Yup,
and I've got like 3 devices going myself.
Yeah, whatever you're doing, live, work, and play, you're going to do it through 5G.
We also got to help Tanya walk through 5G Home's easy self-setup, and for our talented network team, 5G Home's Hollywood Close-Up serves as a source of pride.
We keep our heads down working so hard. You don't always get to look at the end result on how people feel sometimes. When we get a chance to take a quick break and to see what a customer is actually doing and how they feel, you know, the unboxing and things that are going to be shown, just the emotional impact that it has on a customer, that really gives meaning to what we do every day.
I mean, the evolution of technology I've seen in the home is just incredible. I mean, everywhere from like security systems where that's come to, you know, gaming and internet technology. And yes, hun, yes. See, I mean, it's constant. Look at that. I mean, ew, that is a weird looking cat. So, I mean, it is constant. We are constantly either gaming or working, you know, online, doing Instagram, whatever else there is, but there's a lot going on in this home.
Now, if you missed last night's episode, no worries. Our video stories featuring 5G Home are set to air the next 2 Mondays on Smart Home Nation. Again, you can watch the show Monday nights, 10 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Pacific. If you're a Fios customer, that's channel 629, the FYI network. Until next time, you're up to speed.